Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Durango versus the Lamborghini Aventador. We'll explore their distinct purposes and capabilities. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle is better suited for specific driving scenarios, from daily commutes to track days. Let's dive into their performance, practicality, and overall value to see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to raw power, the Lamborghini Aventador typically features over 700 horsepower, delivering breathtaking acceleration. The Dodge Durango, especially in its SRT Hellcat trim, can also reach up to 710 horsepower. However, the Aventador's lighter build and aerodynamic design allow it to achieve a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour, while the Durango's top speed is around 180 miles per hour. Moving to practicality, the Dodge Durango excels as a family vehicle, comfortably seating up to 7 passengers and offering substantial cargo space. It also boasts an impressive towing capacity of over 8,700 pounds. In contrast, the Lamborghini Aventador is strictly a two-seater with very limited storage, designed purely for performance. Its low ground clearance, typically around 4.5 inches, also limits its everyday usability. Ultimately, the better vehicle depends entirely on your needs. The Dodge Durango offers incredible versatility, power, and space at a much more accessible price point, making it ideal for families and utility. The Lamborghini Aventador is a dream machine for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled speed and exotic design, representing a significant luxury investment. Both are outstanding, just for very different purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.